Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new Tiny Arcade series. These here are mini arcade machines that allow you to go ahead and play it on the go. Now, if you want your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these things and see what's on the inside. So these here are tiny arcade machines. So we have ourselves Space Invaders, Pac-Man, Galaxian, as well as Miss Pac-Man. Now these here are based on a company called the World's Smallest. So they actually make a lot of different things and kind of make them pint size. But the details on these are amazing. I mean, literally look at this. This here is Pac-Man, and it's based on the same console of the life-size version. And even if you look at it, the other ones, they all look very unique and very different in terms of size as well as details. Now if you hit the try me button, you'll actually see that the screen goes on here, and the top screen itself does light up too. And it has a speaker in there that has a nice build quality, and you can actually hear the sound quite well. Now these here are keychains, so you can go ahead and take them wherever you want. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what they're all about. So this here is Pac-Man, so you got like a few different characters here. You can see here on the side it says the world's smallest fully functional arcade system, which includes a joystick and button control. You do see that it's got like the Pac-Man logo up here, so let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so we have ourselves a quick little user manual. Awesome! So right away I'm going to say the feel of it is actually really sturdy. It does have a good amount of quality build feel to it, and it's actually kind of heavy. Now overall it's actually a really interesting design concept. I think it actually makes a great keychain. Obviously the weight itself does make a difference. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and play this and hit start. Awesome! We're playing Pac-Man! This is actually really cool. It's hard to see, to be honest. Oh no, I died. So kind of gives you an idea on how that works. So moving on, let's go ahead and check out the Space Invaders game. So we have ourselves a quick little user manual explaining how to go ahead and set this up. And then we have ourselves, what is this here? It's collect them all. So it talks about all the different things that they actually create in terms of the world's smallest goes. So that's actually really fun to see as well. So this here is the arcade machine for Space Invaders. Now it does match the fully authentic version of it in terms of life size wise goes. So you have your on off button here on the bottom here. So you just go and slide that over and you'll see it go ahead and turn on. And there we go. We have ourselves Space Invaders. So we gotta shoot them down before they shoot us. Oh no, we died. So again, you know, the details on this is really fun. I love the fact that there's an LED on the top here, and it's got a nice sturdy feel to it. So definitely a nice build quality. And again, when you put it next to like the Pac-Man one, you can actually see the difference, and it actually makes it look like a real arcade center. All right, up next will be the Miss Pac-Man game. So this here is a different game of Pac-Man that has to deal with Miss Pac-Man. So it kind of makes it more fun and has a nice nostalgic value to it. So once again, I love the different graphics on this thing, especially the side of it actually makes it look like a real arcade machine. So we have ourselves an on-off button on the back, so we're going to go ahead and do that and hit start. And there we go, we got Miss Pac-Man. So let's go ahead and play. Alright, now I can eat these guys. Nom 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 nom. Delicioso. I don't think Miss Pac-Man has a deep voice though. It'd be like more like Delicioso. Then again, I don't think they're actually Italian. Or is that Italian? I'm not exactly sure. Oh, I died. But yeah, so really interesting. Definitely, you know, a great nostalgic value to it. And again, you know, the LED on the top really makes it pop. So definitely a very unique piece. So let's go ahead and turn that one off and display it next to our other ones. And then go ahead and continue moving on to the last one for the Galaxian. So this here is another arcade machine based on the nostalgic value of Galaxian. So you got the typical art on the sides as well as on the back here. So we go and turn it on just like that, and then we'll go ahead and hit start. And there we go. Die, die, die! Ah, shucks. So, you know, kind of gives you an idea what these things are about. Now, overall, I have to say the build quality of it is amazing, and it is a keychain. The weight of it does make it quite, I wouldn't say it's not something you want to put on your car keys, but the fact that you can actually put it like on your backpack definitely does give it a very unique aspect in terms of looks goes. Now, depending on which one you prefer, will kind of give you an idea of like almost like an arcade machine kind of feel to it. I love all the attention details that they did to it, and yeah, there you guys have it. Now, if you had any questions about these tiny arcades, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.